Good morning. Today we will do the warm up of the 1.2 the thief story. One passage is given, one incident is explained there. uh, Lokesh and his friends read that incident very carefully. We will directly solve the question. B. Summarize the incident in 6 to 8 lines, making Lokesh the narrator. Means he will be the narrator of that story. And so we have to begin our summarization. I was always a class topper. So the answer will be like this. I was always a class topper in tests and examinations by using false means to get high marks. One day, my friend Farhan came all prepared for maths instead of history. I offered to let him copy from my answer sheet, but he refused and preferred 0 marks as cheating was for cowards. His words were a turning point in my life, and from then I worked hard instead of cheating. So, this will be the uh, answer for that question. So, let us see the above question now. A. In the given story, words and phrases can be replaced by the following ones. So when we will go through the lesson in another video, I will also explain that which words, where these words are there. Okay. Became aware, realized word is there. For always, invariably, very upset and helpless, desperate. For cheating, foul means without working for it, means unearned. A sudden change, a turning point. Gain or achieve means acquire. So in my second video where I taught the lesson, there I have told that which words, which meanings are there, and I told that we will see in the warm up also. So that is the answer for that question. Let us see uh, the last workshop of this lesson, which was left actually. So wave diagrams are there, and they asked in the first wave diagram Anil's virtues. Anil's virtues, answer for that: kind, easygoing, simple, pleasant. Then Hari's vices: cunning, untruthful, shrewd, insincere. Now in the next question they have asked to pick up the word and phrases from the bracket. I dash dash the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. So dashed to means he run to that place, to that through that gate. Dashed to. After the death of my pet dog, my spirits rose. My spirits rose when dad got me a new pup. He got excited. Okay. Do not stoop to flattery means praise. Okay. Just to gain something from someone. The artist completes his paintings by fits and start. This is also explained. All these phrases are explained in detail in the lesson video. Go for that, search for that, and have an explanation of that. The crime went undetected for 11 years. Undetected. Next one, when the baby saw its mother, it gave an appealing smile. This is also explained. The next one, find from the text the collocation for the following. So before solve that question, I want to tell you collocation means what. Collocation means the words or terms that co-occur more often than would be expected by chance. Okay. It is nothing but a mere popular composition where two or more words go together. For example, we use strong tea rather than powerful tea. Okay. So difference is there in between collocation and compound word. Compound word means what? Compound words are usually two or more nouns put together to create a new noun, whereas collocations are phrases created with two or more words that are used together. Collocations types are also there. Means verb plus noun is there, verb plus adverb is there, adverb plus noun is there, adverb plus adjective is there. Sometimes noun plus noun is also there. For example, made a mistake, verb plus noun. treated well, verb plus adverb. Bad day, adjective plus noun. Fully aware, adverb plus adjective. A round of applause, noun plus noun. Okay, so this is the basic difference, and this is important. Sometimes we didn't get the meaning or the difference in between collocation and compound words, so it is explained here. Learn it very properly. Then we will solve that question number 3. It is stray dog, second greedy man, third ticket office, fourth walked slowly, then next a light drizzle, next whole sentences, and last my spirits. Okay, the next compound words are asked. Oil rich, then next 50 rupee, next easy going, next clock tower, next moonlight. So these are the words. In the lesson also I asked and I told you the code mixing examples. Again I am going to give you the answer for this. Maidan, pajamas, bazaar. These are the words you can put down here. Then the next one, fourth, they have asked us to take out the information about the character, names, age, physical appearance, and how they earn their money and their qualities. So here in this lesson we have observed 2 characters. First one we will feel for the Anil. Anil is his name. Then age 25. Then physical appearance, tall, lean, with a clear unlined face. He earned his money by writing for magazines and writing the books. His qualities are very simple. All the qualities you can pick from the virtues from the web as well. Okay. Then next Hari. His age is 15. He is thin. In his physical appearance you can put thin with many scars on his face. He earned his money by stealing and cheating people. How he is? Very cunning, shrewd, insincere, untruthful, ambitious, and grateful. Okay. The next one, question number 5. They have asked us to complete the given sentences. Anil kept Hari as a cook because he wanted someone to cook for him. He perhaps also felt sorry for Hari. Next, Hari was grateful because Anil was teaching him to read, write, and add numbers, and all this would be useful to him in his own life. Then next, C. Hari continued making money by cheating Anil while buying the day's supplies or grocery. Then next, D. Anil did not hand Hari over to the police because he thought that he could try to make an honest man him. Okay. And then the last one, the moral of the story is that if we are good, people are good to us also in return. And I think that positive mind works better than the negative one. So this is the moral of the story. If you have your own views about this question, you can write also. Okay. The next question is asked, think and write in your own words in your notebook. So I would like to see all these questions solved by you yourself. Next one, write a character sketch of Hari Singh with the help of following points using the paragraph format. So I will tell you, I will not fragmented all the points. I will use these points and will make a passage, a paragraph based on this information. Okay, so listen carefully. Hari Singh was a boy of 15, an experienced and successful thief. He always planned everything meticulously before robbing someone. He follows him, that person, and win to get his confidence and to get a job. After some time, he used to run away after stealing money. He always changed his name to fool the police and his former employees. He started his job as a cook for Anil, though he could not cook well. He was cruel enough to cheat and rob simple and very trustworthy Anil. Sometimes he cheats him on the shopping. One night, Hari stole 600 rupees and ran away. But ultimately, he came back with transformed mind. At the end of the story, he decides to live honest life with Anil by being a learner. So this is the answer and the character sketch of that Hari Singh. Now the next question, they asked you to frame WH questions. Let us see that, and we are allowed to transform first person pronouns into the second person where it is necessary. So they have given the underlines here. Let us see A. I hurried back to the room. So where did you hurry back? Question mark. That will be the answer. Then next, I had made a study of man's face. What had you made? Question mark. Okay. So if I asked what had you made? A study of man's face. Okay. Next, I drew them out without a sound. So the action description is there. So how? That question will be there. How did you draw them out? Okay. Then next, the poor man showed acceptance. Who showed acceptance? Question mark. Then next, I made tea in the morning. For that, when did you? Because the time is expected there, so that's why when. When did you make tea? We will see these type of WH questions in detail in another video as well, but keep in mind the answers for this one only. That is a grammar part we have to deal with a little bit in detail. Okay. Now they have asked, imagine that Anil catches Hari red-handed when Hari is stealing the money from under the mattress. Compose a short dialogue between the two which reflects Anil's shock and Hari's repeated apologies. There, dialogue writing they are expecting. Dialogue writing is for the internal marks weightage, and I am going to make another video for how to write down a dialogue. It is a lengthy little bit, and detailed description should be given by the teacher. Okay, so that's it. All the warm up and all the workshop is solved. I would like to see all these questions and answers in your CW. Prepare yourself. All the best and learn each and everything. Thank you.